In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your VidIQ Invoices. If you're managing a YouTube channel and using VidIQ to optimize your content, accessing your invoices might be an essential task for budgeting or accounting purposes. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily retrieve your invoices whenever you need them. First, we'll start by heading over to the VidIQ website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the VidIQ URL, or simply search for VidIQ in your search engine and navigate to their homepage. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details to access your account dashboard. Next, you'll want to locate your profile. Now, here's a little tip. Your profile can be found in the bottom left corner of the VidIQ interface. It might be represented by your profile picture or an icon, so keep an eye out for that. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options related to your account. From the menu, look for the Plans option and give it a click. This section is where you'll find all the details regarding your current VidIQ subscription plan. It's a handy page that not only shows your subscription details, but also provides you with access to your invoices. If you have an active plan, you should see the option to download your invoices right there on the Plans tab. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to keep track of your expenses for tax purposes, or if you simply want to have a record of your payments to VidIQ. Once you've located the invoice you need, just click on the download button. Typically, this will save the invoice as a PDF file to your computer, which you can then view, print, or save for your records. Make sure to check your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves files by default, so you can easily access the document once it's downloaded. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your VidIQ invoice. Remember, keeping your invoices organized is a good practice, especially if you're managing finances for your YouTube channel or any other business venture. If you ever encounter any issues or can't find the invoices, don't hesitate to reach out to VidIQ's support team for assistance. They're usually very helpful and can guide you through any hiccups you might experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of downloading your VidIQ invoices clear and straightforward. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and happy YouTubing!